be joining, man. Where them shooters at? Where them top
Where them shooters at? Who gonna blick something, man?
Here you go right here. Hold on. Hell no.
Where them top shotters at, man?
He was just about to blow the ARP, man. We need to add him back. What's up? You ready, man?
What's good, fool?
You ready?
Come on.
You ready? He's scared, man.
Good ass nigga, man.
Man, these
Boy,
niggas scared, man. Stop
man, I'm looking for them shooters.
Man.
Okay, Glock boy say he ready to go.
Glock boy ready.
3 right now.
Add Glock boy right now, nigga.
I just tried. He declined.
He ain't gonna blow. He ain't gonna blow anyway. That's why he playing.
Yeah, he playing.
All they ass playing, folks. Stop they ass playing, man. Who is this?
What's up? Let me hear that.
You not finna let that bitch off.
That bitch look equipped.
He gonna show that bitch. What that is? Gen 5?
What that bitch do?
Rock that bitch.
That's another Gen 5 right there.
Boy.
That's another Gen 5. What they is? Glock 27?
Let us hit that bitch right now, boy.
Blow that bitch. Both of them bitch. Blow that switch.
He playing.
Boy, I'm not blowing shit. You crazy.
You crazy.
Time for him to go.
He told his ass, you crazy.
Hell no, fo. I need to add Broski back. He ready to dump.
Who? All that chop?
Yeah, he ready to dump. KD, bro, what the fuck?
KD shit froze, bro. The Wi-Fi.
We could do this all day. I'm trying to bring top shooter up,
Go
man.
to chop.
He talking about add me, shorty. I'm ready to blow that bitch. Yeah, I just said that.
What you on, gang?
What you on, killer? You ready?
No, I stay with some hot shit. You want me blow that bitch again this time?
Yeah, man. Let me hear it, man. These niggas scared.
Them other niggas scared, bro.
I ain't blowing that bitch right now. It's early, gang.
So you gonna join back and let me hear that motherfucker though, right?
On gang tonight. On gang, we start this bitch up tonight. You know I'm up the whole 50.
All right, let me know.
What's to him, man? They ass scared. For they talking about it's too early.
He cap.
He just said it's too early.
Hey, y'all chill out in them comments. 4TK, he say I'll do it now. Okay, we finna see.
He got the American flag on his ceiling, folks. He not finna shoot nothing.
They say my fucking room. Fuck is he talking about?
All this folks with the orange scat?
You got me
that's him with the orange scat, man.
Who room that is?
Bro, it's my fucking orange.
Folk, you know, I'm not trying to do that shit.
You ain't trying to do it?
I do that video, I did.
Do that bitch then. Do that bitch then. That's a nickel. I'm gon' hit.
Blow that bitch 3 times.
I'm gon' hit.
Hey, three times too many shots though, folks.
We need whole clip if you like that.
I can't use this.
Okay.
Can't take my hollow out.
Okay.
Y'all take my hollow out.
There you go.
Listen, my boy, why they look up?
He blew that bitch one time, bro. He stayed doing that.
He said
he's just supposed to overjuke that bitch.
That's why I tried to tell him 3. I knew he wasn't gonna blow that bitch. Hey, if he would have got the blowing it 3 times, he probably would have kept going, bro. That's why I said 3 times.
Bro. He took his hollow out. Let one off. He got 6 more shots left.
He said, I gotta take the hollow out.
Let me see who a shooter.
Well, that's goofy.
Hold on. Dude said, did I get his request?
Add top shotters, man. We need top shotters on this bitch, man.
What's your name? Hey,
ain't none of them niggas gonna blow no.
We need top shotters on this bitch, man. Where the top shotters at, man? Who hotter than MBlock? Who hotter than MBlock?
I just sent it to
Put
you,
my shit
Shawty. Join
downloading
up.
while you playing, Rio.
Join up. He said he ready.
We need top shotters.
Why he not joining?
They ass
I just
savage.
sent it to him. They ain't trying to join, y'all.
We need top shotters on this bitch, man.
He the only person that ain't get no real. Like he ain't find no quick down.
Who hot in the M block?
They like everything was going on down there. He was just telling me.
I'm finna bring him
Oh,
up
they
right here.
crazy.
Oh my God. He play too much.
Bro, kick his ass, bro. Okay, kick his ass.
He play too
Us
much.
That's
too.
goofy, man. Who the fuck you ass?
You play too
Who
much,
is
boy.
him, folks?
He say fa 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 fa.
He just dumped us down.
Damn.
He just dumped us down, bro.
I didn't know if it was if it could have been
Folks,
two.
that
Hmm.
man say fa fa fa.
Look, K, you see these niggas? Look, K.
All these niggas want to join, but they not gonna shoot. I'm
They
not going.
not gonna blow. Folks just up the water gun on our eyes.
Hey, Rio.
Yo, who that?
What the fuck you talking about, man? I ain't doing shit back.
Man, shut the fuck
Folks,
up.
look, that shit download right now on my cousin PS4, boy. On Bando PS4, bro. Go to the store. Go to the PlayStation store, folks.
Point to visualize that we knew crap with. That's
Bro, go to the PlayStation store, bro.
Man, fuck that shit.
Yeah.
Fuck.
man.
Fuck you to me.
Fuck you too.
Yo, ass retarded.
Cause you talking about this download. Dumb. I'm talking about
No,
this shit,
bro.
bro.
No, bro. His ass downloading this shit right now, bro.
Hey, here go Tracy
What
right
fuck?
here. The
What fuck
Uncle
you?
Why I can't add him, folks? The little tasty
We need
nigga.
top shotters on this bitch.
I'm trying to add the little tasty nigga. I don't see his name. I'm looking for him right now. Hell no, this shit would be so funny. He said, I've been waiting for 3 days.
They killed.
I don't see his name, bro. Yeah, I don't see you, little bro. You gotta send a request.
Man, Tasty ass cabin too. That's why you don't see the request.
I was just eating, folks. Hey, we need a top shot on this bitch, man. I'm back, man. Y'all ready? That why for after next shooter for what the fuck is you doing, man?
They declining, niggas scared.
Yeah, man. Boot the M block. So what, man? We need top shotters. Who hotter than M block?
He told me I'll do the whole clip. Nigga, you talking.
Nigga, who hotter than M block right now, nigga? Let me see.
Hey, what y'all on, bro? You on the ball right now? The revolver?
Come
Damn.
on, let us hit that bitch. We
Blow
don't get
that
no
bitch,
fuck,
nigga.
nigga. We used to play
Whatever
with
one you
revolvers,
want.
nigga.
Oh yeah, all three of them.
Oh, come on. Come
All
on.
three of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now?
All
On what?
three of them,
Come
gang.
on, we
On
outside
for the
with
Man,
it.
free
stop
Come on.
playing.
tasty
Come
up.
on, man.
We outside with it.
Oh, they going outside.
Hey, we putting that
Shit.
tasty up if y'all playing, man.
I take this.
Oh, that's Tracy.
Oh, take this.
Man, y'all better come on.
He ready. He put the hood right on.
Hey, do it again, man. Do it again.
They crazy. Them domestic is crazy.
He ain't got not one up the top.
Down that
These
way?
little motherfucking messing
Down
is
that way?
crazy.
Right here?
Hurry up for your mama see
Oh,
you.
yeah, they definitely hotter than M block.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna blow this bitch in the back. Bro. You talking about mom?
Hurry up, boy. Blow that bitch. Blow that bitch, boy.
That's a what that is?
That's a ghost Glock.
No, they ain't. I don't know. That is, oh yeah, that's a
Oh my
ghost.
god.
Yeah, yeah, that's a ghost for
Big
sure.
ass ghost.
See if that bitch twerk.
Keep me on with 2 phones.
What happened, white
Hey,
boy?
yo, we'll blow this bitch right here. Go ahead, blow that.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Go ahead. Watch out.
Come on.
Come on, come on, come
That
on.
bitch better not jam.
That bitch, whoa, huh?
Damn. That look goes loud, huh?
That bitch broke.
Damn, bro, they built,
That
bro. I'm
broke that
telling you.
bitch. Let me see that.
What's up, the revolver next?
Let me see the back of that
Revolver
bitch,
next,
bro.
nigga.
They say they ghost blocks work.
Let me see the back of that bitch.
That's ghost.
That bitch look like it can't. Oh no, my screen was glitching.
He just dumped that bitch.
He talking about that.
Shorty out the
He
bag with his
did
little
it though.
ghost
He
block.
did it. You can't front on him. He did.
Yeah, sorry.
Hey, where Tracy at, man? Hey, Tracy, boy, send your request.
Send a request. I'm steady telling him that.
He talking about he
What
sent it 3
Tracy?
times. You playing?
Ah, Shorty, he ready to blow.
What the fuck you feel though? Damn,
What's
man.
his name?
Tracy.
I don't see him, bro. I don't see him. He blew that little ass ghost block. See. They finna clap this bitch. It's almost.
He just dumped that little ghost block.
They steady tagging him. I'm looking for his name. I didn't put that damn name in 10 times.
Hey, I was just finna say that, look, K.
Brett said they kicked him.
Yeah, let's go. Out our west in this bitch, man.
Y'all ain't rocking shit. What's going on?
That bitch a fully on my daddy.
You said that bitch fully.
Nah. Wait, hell nah.
Hey,
This
let us
bitch
hit
a
that
fully
big
hold on, let me
thing.
show
Let us hit
y'all.
that long ass rifle.
He talking
Let us
about.
hear that big thing, that big chop.
This bitch on.
Let me hear some.
Let us hear that big chop.
Man,
Nah,
y'all
this
ass
bitch.
playing.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around for y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around.
I don't want to see it on the head.
Clap his ass.
All right, okay.
Oh, you got 147 Tracy?
Yeah, I think I got one. You ready?
Hey, where you at? Check it out. Come on, Tracy. Come on this bitch, boy.
Thank you, bro. You adding all them niggas them petty guns. Hold on.
Man, he
Yeah,
got that Drake on him.
Yeah,
yeah.
let
Niggas
us
them
hit
petty
that bitch.
guns. Hold on.
He got Wooski on the mix down.
You
Let
know,
me let me see how much people outside first. Hold on.
you should have saw that before you called me,
Man,
man.
nah, bro. These
You
niggas don't
done
have big little
spent us.
guns.
You scared.
He
You
finna
not
blow one
like
of them
that.
chops.
You saw
He
other
done
shorty
spent
hopped on
us,
this bitch
man.
blasting. You ain't like that.
Who
Other
ain't like
shorty hopped on
this?
this bitch blasting. He wasn't trying to talk.
Hold on, wait, just a second.
No, we don't hold on. You scared.
Ooh.
That's Draco.
Damn!
Damn! That bitch, damn! This a big ass grenade just went off
Hey,
in that hood.
knocker.
Folks just woke the neighbors up.
Okay, we fucks with you, man. I'm gonna sing this
Okay,
new unreleased right
we
now.
see you top shot around this bitch.
Alright then.
All right, Dave, be smooth, boy.
Y'all don't want to hear this.
Let me hear it.
Man, let me hear.
Yeah,
Let us
let me hear
hear
it.
it.
I ain't gonna
Let us
do it. I ain't got no
hear
more
it.
bullets.
I want to hear
I
it
can't.
all.
I can't shoot the fully. I ain't got no more bullets for it.
Okay.
Shit, he say he got a fully over there too. Yes, sir. These niggas
That
bullshit.
Drake just went off.
He dropped a Drake on that ass. Wow, wow, wow. He don't play that shit. Fat folks, he look like you out there with that Drake.
Fat folks watching.
That Drake just went off. At the top
He
shot.
blew that bitch like he ain't care that bitch. He had that bitch.
At the next top shot, man.
He talking about bring me up. Y'all gotta send a request, man. Damn.
At the next top shot, folks. You know, like 30 motherfuckers requesting right now. Stop lying.
On BD, it say 40 requests. Every time I do it, they decline.
I'm folding on. All of that. We don't give a fuck.
All right, bet. Okay, here we go right here. Here.
Uh-oh.
You can let something out, Shiesty?
What y'all trying to say?
Man, stop that shit, why? He told Stacey yeah, let some out.
Oh, wait, don't cock this shit back, Shiesty. Hold on.
It's so hard.
Out the
Hold
window?
on, he can let that bitch out.
Man, go out there.
Let us see it. Let us see it.
Ready?
Yeah.
He just walked the neighbors up. He just cracked that bitch.
Oh,
He told your ass, you ready?
Man, that big motherfucker just got on.
Oh, no.
He asked me is I'm ready. Hell yeah. Is you ready?
Okay, man,
Four.
you just let the Beretta.
Hold on. I think I got one more.
Crazy.
Oh, my God. Y'all so funny.
I have the next top shot. I have the next top shot.
Who next? Who next?
Hey, that was a 40. I ain't gonna lie. Here we go right here. How you coming? Y'all, but they dates. You already know.
Ooh, go and blow that bitch.
Oh, shit.
Man, go and blow that bitch.
Oh,
What y'all trying to see?
What y'all trying to see?
Go and blow
One of
that
them
bitch.
jokers.
Let's get on the press. Let's blow that motherfucker.
Hold the camera.
What y'all trying to see? What y'all trying to see?
Man, I want to hear that bitch. Let me hear.
What you finna
No
do?
talking.
What y'all finna do?
They finna bail out. Hold on, why? Hold on. Don't kick him, why? Don't kick him, why? Hold on. Come on, let me hear. He say he ain't got his mask. What you need your mask for? Who y'all finna go kill? Don't need no mask. This is not a drill. They look like tweaking, bro. They look like tweaking.
Go and blow that bitch, man. You going on?
I'm voting, bro. They look like tweaking.
Gen 5 finna get blown. Gen 5.
Hey. Randy,
What
Gen
y'all,
5. Tell the dead
dog?
nigga get his gun up. Tell the dead nigga come get his
Yo,
gun.
Randy.
This is dead nigga gun. This is dead nigga gun.
This bitch mute the whole time.
Hey,
What
we
you
gonna
want,
slide
shot?
in y'all shit. What's up? What's
come
Shit,
on, come
high
on.
as hell.
Come on. Let us hear it. Let us hear it.
Man, shoot your gun.
Let us hear it.
Let me see.
They
Please
look
shoot
like
that. What's going
Wi-Fi
on?
fucked up. They went outside the crib. The Wi-Fi fucked up.
Damn. So what? Let him get a second or what?
What's his name? Remember his name? For we gonna add him back because they the last finna let off everything.
Lonely J. I bet.
Hold on, here they go.
There you go.
Hey boy, your Wi-Fi fucking up, boy.
Hurry up, boy.
Hurry up, boy. Go out. Hurry up, boy.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, boy. Hurry up, boy.
Come on. Shoot.
Hurry up, boy. Hurry up.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Check it out.
Hurry up, boy.
Shoot, boy. What the fuck? We finna die. What you running for? Shoot.
He running all through the garage.
Boom. Hey, hurry up, boy. Let us see that bitch. Oh, they look ass crazy.
Ooh, they walking with that hoe.
He got snot coming out of his shit.
Okay. Bro, what the fuck?
Shoot. Man, he just dancing.
For what just happened? For did they shoot? Oh, here you go. Here.
Unmute yourself.
You muted. You
I'm
muted,
muted.
man. You muted.
I'm
You
muted.
fucking goofy. Damn. That's crazy. We couldn't even hear it, little bro. You
He just
muted,
wasted
bro.
his
I
time and
saw
he was
that bitch,
muted.
though. He just let that AI off.
Damn, little bro, why you have to have it muted? Shiesty at the park somewhere. They getting it on.
Oh, fuck now. Sit back and watch the show. Fuck you talking about, boy?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, that's what I like to see.
Ah, he a pretty boy. He did that to look cute.
That shit for looks.
He crazy.
That shit for looks. I wish I could up my Drake in the camera.
Oh, BD. They know the real button boys. We can't even show nothing.
You hear me, why? Wish I could up my shit in the camera.
Hey, what y'all trying to hear?
We want to hear one of the biggest guns.
What you got? What you got?
The shotgun. The shotgun.
Ooh.
Say no more. Hold
Let me
on.
see that shotgun.
Shotgun.
Ooh, shit.
Look, check it out.
Hold one hand.
Check it out.
Crazy. He crazy. He crazy.
I
don't know where it's
so
at,
blow up one hand.
Hold on.
Blow up one hand.
He get me fucked up. I ain't blowing that bitch for one hand.
All right, go ahead. Do what you gonna do. Blow that bitch one hand.
He say one hand.
He blowing that bitch.
That motherfucker boom! Boom! Shit! Bro, he got me thinking now, folks. Ooh, that bitch gonna hit hard, folks.
He said, hey, blow that bitch one hand.
Who next, man? Who next?
Might call nut.
BD.
Withdrawing this bitch. I need it. Hey, I just tried to add you back to this case. Hey, he was just blowing that big ass 12 gauge.
That bitch is just loud as hell. I'm scared of him.
Let's
He's
see what 762 on.
Oh,
762, how
phone
you
him,
coming?
girl. Who do you think he is?
Where your chopstick at, little boy?
This little ass ready for war.
Okay, David.
His ass ain't playing with niggas. Don't go in his backyard. Do not go in that man's backyard. For the grade. That ain't no cut to be used. Whatever y'all at, do not make that a cut. Dude, that's crazy. For the grade. Hey, at the next shooter, why? G Mello, for they got you on here for at the next shooter. What the fuck is you doing, man? You fucking up the M-Block.
Goofy.
Fuck is you doing,
Shut
man?
the fuck up, bitch.
Hey, what you
You
got
just accepted this shit too late.
on? Man, add the next top shotter, man. What the fuck is you doing?
Yeah, shit.
Damn.
Hey, Dawai, get the phone back, G. Get this
Damn,
nigga Mello
man.
off this
He
shit.
doing what he gotta do, man.
Get this nigga Mello out, folks. This little ass tweak.
Hold on, let me look at them shooters. I know where the shooters at. They back.
He and that bitch, dude, crazy as hell.
He just blew that bitch.
He just shot that bitch 17 times.
Yeah,
I
nah,
thought
folks, that
12
whole
gauge
ground
only hold like
fucked
8
up right now.
shots.
That whole ground fucked up.
Yeah, what you finna do with it? What's going on?
Let us hear. Let us hear. Put your shoes on.
Oh, we.
Take the headphones out.
We need to take the headphones out so we can hear it.
We gotta hear it.
We going outside, y'all.
Come on. Come on. Hey. Damn, folks. I think it just kicked him, folks. I think it kicked him, folks. Add him back, folks.
I didn't kick him, bro.
No, I think the live kicked him, folks. Add him back, folks.
What's his name?
On folks, I don't even remember, folks. Hey, what's his name, live? Tag his name, live. Damn, folks. Tag his name, live. Or add the next shot. Add the next top shot, folks. Fuck it. We ain't wasting no time.
Yeah, nigga, that big 10 million, nigga.
Let me hear that bitch.
Let me hear that
10
one.
million, nigga.
Let me hear that bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go outside. Yeah. Come on.
But
Come
I
on, you right
did.
there.
This bitch ass. He left. I saw his finger.
Get your
I
bitch
saw his
ass on.
finger, bro. He left.
Told me that 10 million for nothing.
He told me, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. 10 million.
On tape, fool. Fool, this ass dumb as hell. Why is they playing?
I don't know, folks.
Hey, add the next top shotter, folks. We need a top shotter, folks. Cause they so dumb on this bitch. It's just so funny, folks. For what the fuck?
He went to the window and all. He said,
yeah, 10 million.
here goes some new crack.
Get his goof ass on, folks.
We got
hey,
some
where the
shooters.
top shotters at, folks?
We got some shooters.
We need some shooters.
I'm looking for
We need top shotters.
They declining. They scared.
What y'all on for? What y'all?
I mean, the weed business is right now. Right, because I'm not going to say who.
And they scared.
What y'all on for? What y'all on for?
Kasky, you see him? They blowing them bitches.
Come on, add like 3 of their ass at once, folks.
I'm trying, folks. Fuck, you gonna lead a lot?
I'm finna let them shine.
He told me I'm finna let them shine. It's your slow ass. Let me see. Here go one.
Oh, 21st.
Yeah, I'm on Michigan. 73rd in Michigan. Oh, you ain't mute the mic.
I'm finna call their ass back.
Come get me. We gotta join her. Katie, what the fuck you got going on? Go buy that new phone right now. I don't want to hear it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's like 20 million people trying to get on here one at a time. The show gonna go.
I need 3. Send it low.
It's live, for live steady doing that blocking shit, bro. Steady to my.
I had to win though. I won that bitch, man.
Yeah, you won. You know you
I
won.
won that bitch, man.
Everybody else lost on my son.
Why they man? They blowing them little bitty ass guns, man.
I'm folding them gray.
He talking about don't go in his backyard. Please don't. Fuck it, talking about. Man, hey, what you on, man?
I ain't on shit, man. I can't even show mine, man. Motherfucker might go to jail out here.
See, I was telling y'all niggas yesterday that Tennessee shit.
Hey,
Y'all can hear me.
you know it, man. They on my back.
What's good, gang? Motherfucker.
How you coming? What you finna do?
Tell him blow that bitch.
What you finna do? My man's right here, Blue. He ain't trying to talk.
Tell him blow that bitch, man.
Oh, fuck
He ain't trying to
that.
talk. Go blow that big old janky ass gun. Shoot that thing.
Them bitches work. Come to Beloit.
He talking about that bitch don't work.
Them bitches work, for real. Fuck you talking about,
Let me
nigga.
hear it. Oh, man.
Nah, hey, I was telling your ass the other day. You know, I had that.
What you say? Why the fuck he leave? Hey, this live shit tweaking. They see we getting this bitch busting, man. Hey, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, my shit. But that's the live, folks. That shit blowing me now.
It's hot as fuck. Real. How you coming?
Come on, man. Hey, y'all bumming, man.
What's up? How you coming?
Let us see how y'all coming, man. Y'all finna let them bitches out.
You said what?
What? I say, let us see how y'all coming. Y'all finna let them bitches out.
I ain't gonna lie, folks. It's hot as hell around this bitch.
Man, y'all playing. Y'all ain't just see dude that was just on this bitch. He just
Hey.
dumped 12 gauge shotgun. Get your goof ass on. Sure, he just dumped 12 gauge. And he blew that bitch multiple times.
Yeah.
How you coming?
How you coming, shorty?
What you finna do?
Man,
Folks on the Android.
I ain't gonna bap. I'm not blowing this bitch up.
He gone. Get him gone.
Shit. Man, fucked up.
He playing.
He playing, for we need top shotters on this bitch, man.
BD.
This the unblock show. Get this
If
bitch
you not
busted.
blowing your gun, you not getting on this bitch.
Y'all finna shoot?
Hey, hold on. Alright, hold
How you
on.
got a ghost blowing on
Hold
this bitch?
on.
What if it go down?
Man, let us hit that bitch. It's a switch on that Drake.
I know what it is. Let me hit.
Let us hit that Drake. Oh, that Drake got a switch on the front.
They not on nothing.
But let me hear that Drake, folks.
He said they think it's show and tell.
Oh, that Drake got a switch on it, folks. Hey, shorty. Hey, DM me.
He's about to DM me.
DM me right now. DM Bando KD, man. We finna get our feature going. We finna get this rolling.
Folks,
This little ass trip.
you remove some of the people that's not trying to do it.
We finna get our feature going, shorty. We finna get this shit rolling.
Who next?
Hey, nobody let us switch you off yet. I ain't trying to hit.
I ain't hear no button.
Ain't nobody let off no button.
Not one. What's up, man? You finna be the first?
What?
You ain't even got no button, do you? Keep it real.
What happened?
We don't got time to fuck
Man, let
around.
us.
You finna
What
blow
that
that bitch
is?
or what? You finna
Oh,
blow
There ain't
that
no
that
bitch
bitch or
poke
gonna
man
what?
yet.
jam.
You
That
finna
bitch
blow
gonna
that bitch
jam.
or what?
That's jam, man.
Oh, gang it out.
Your ass up.
Let us hear.
That's jam. I had that before.
Let us hear.
Fuck is he talking
No,
about?
why? He gonna find out.
Let us hear. Right, that bitch jamming, boy.
Whole
I know
He
clip
that.
gonna
know that,
bust open
and
on
he
that
probably
bitch.
got
I
four
have one
clips.
of those clips. That jamming.
That
I ain't
janky
trying
ass
to hear
clip.
That's jamming. His ass gonna jam playing shit.
Yeah, he got that big ass beam on that.
it. Trying to even the weight out on that bitch. Long ass pole on that bitch. That bitch goes 66.
Hey, after next top shot on this bitch, we need next top shotter, man. If you ain't shooting your gun, do not get on this bitch, man. All them goofies we just added, man. I don't even know why we just added that goofy ass, man.
They don't do Dave.
I'm still stuck on dude ass. He talking about, yeah, 10 million.
They talking about that old girl, she gonna clap it. All right, if I ask her, she gotta shoot.
You say what?
They talking about that old girl, she gonna shoot. I just seen her. Where she go?
Who?
Uh, Lydia or some shit. Let me see. Then
Liddy.
yeah, there she go. There she go. Here she go. Let me see, baby. She about to rock out. Yeah, that's some niggas.
That's some niggas.
Open the door.
She say,
That's a
open the
bitch.
door.
Open the door.
What
What's
the
Yeah,
wrong?
that's
fuck?
He
big.
more
That's
gangster than
big.
you niggas. Hold
Let
on,
us
man.
in.
She
Oh
ready.
my God,
Open
she
the
got a
door.
club.
Let me
Stop
hear it,
playing with
baby.
her.
Hey,
She got
follow her
That's
right
a
G-Wagon.
now.
nigga.
Stop
She
playing with
got a
Shawty.
club.
They going through the garage.
Stop playing with Shawty. She threw this shit.
Stop playing with Shawty. She won.
Hey, we
She
in this
won.
bitch. Oh,
Let
look
us
good.
see her.
Let us
Let us
see
see
her.
her.
Man,
Let us
pull
see
up
her.
Blow that
Clap
bitch.
that
Let
bitch.
us
Let
Clap
us
hear.
see her.
clap it. Clap it.
that bitch locked up.
Yo,
That bitch
shorty.
jam.
And
Damn, she
jam.
just tried to get off.
She just damn. She just trying to do the Watusi on that bitch.
Oh, man, she tried to get
She just
off.
trying to do the
She a
Watusi.
gangster, folks. She say, hey,
How to Glock
Bando.
jam. She trying to
Before
do the
they ain't say
Watusi
shit,
with
before they
that bitch.
open the door
Bro,
for
I
her.
ain't gonna lie. She
Let
gangster
her
than
walk
most of the
through.
niggas that was just somewhere.
They let her
Yeah.
straight out. She get
Let
to
her shoot her through. On phone them, I just
working that
followed her.
Man,
motherfucker.
Let her. Hey,
they got
everybody
her
go
shooting
follow her.
guns and shit though. She
Hey,
tweaking.
baby girl, you gonna
We
ride
gonna
in the
come
car
in
with us.
Unblock. We gonna give
We
you a
gonna get
switch, shot.
we gonna get her Drake. Fuck you
On
talking
my
about?
mama. She do it. She just
We
broke
gonna
the
give you a
Glock.
Drake,
She
baby
ready.
girl.
She ready. Yes, sir. Angel, bitch. Where you at? Did you see that top shotter?
Yeah. She fucking you up,
Angel bitch ready to start
Angel,
shooting.
hey.
Look,
Go.
Angel.
You on the
I
bus?
can't even do too much, but I'm on my way back to the road.
Man, you playing, man.
I'm dead ass. I'm on the Greyhound. I can't even.
Oh, shit. All
Okay.
right,
Hot
look.
shit.
When you
When
getting
you
off the
get off that
Greyhound?
Greyhound, boy, be ready.
I'm getting out this bitch 9:30 on track.
All right, your appointment at 9:30, folks. We got an
All right,
appointment
yeah.
scheduled.
I bet.
I bet.
We scheduling appointments on this motherfucker.
BD, he say 9:30, I'm ready. You gonna hit this motherfucker.
Okay,
They
Dave.
talking about he on the bus. Yeah, he on the bus. Talking about the Greyhound. You ain't got a lot of us traveling with that little ass Watusi.
She was shaking that motherfucker like a Roman candle.
Yeah, she was over jerking that bitch. That's why she jammed it. KD, what the fuck happened, blood? On BD, this bitch going down.
Talking about his appointment at 9:30.
I'm looking for a top shooter. What's up, broski? Oh, he left. Damn.
I think
They don't
KD
leave
shit
it.
tweaking,
What
folks.
the fuck is they doing?
KD shit gotta be tweaking, folks.
Yeah, his shit tweak.
Oh, Dave, how y'all coming?
How you coming? You already in the dark. You might as well go ahead and start shooting.
You know what comes from the dark bring to the light.
You saying?
Let me see that. Let me see that.
Hey, where old girl go?
Yeah, man.
Where old girl go, boy? Man, I'm looking for old girl, the shooter. She the shooter. Niggas ain't no shooter. Damn.
I mean, the weed business is right now. Right, because I'm not going to say who it is. I mean, the weed business is right now.